Hello students. In last video we have learned about how to measure length of small things using a measuring scale. What is a measuring scale? This is a measuring scale that you find in your pencil box. ये स्केल आप अपनी पेंसिल बॉक्स में रखते हैं. मैंने सबको समझा दिया कि एक 1 सेंटीमीटर कितना होता है. दिस मच इज 1 सेंटीमीटर. द स्पेस बिटवीन द टू big lines is 1 centimeter. Again, so let's measure the length of this nail. This nail is nothing but 4 centimeter. Since you are starting from 0, so you just count, or you don't have to count actually. Its number is written, you just uh, see the number and you just write 4 centimeter. How many? It's 4 centimeter. Clear? Now moving on further, we can see how it is easier to measure using zero mark. From zero mark, see, if you keep any object along with this scale, इसके साथ अगर आप कोई भी वस्तु रखते हैं छोटी, मान लीजिए आप एक पेंसिल रखते हैं, तो आप एक एंड जीरो पर रखिए और दूसरा एंड मान लीजिए ये पेंसिल है, छोटी सी पेंसिल आपने रख दिया यहाँ तक. अब देखिए टोटल लेंथ आपको बस यहाँ से 0 से काउंट करना है. हाउ मेनी सेंटीमीटर्स? इट्स 12 सेंटीमीटर्स. तो मान लीजिए आपने एक पेंसिल रखी थी और पेंसिल की लेंथ कितनी हो गई? 12 सेंटीमीटर्स. सिमिलरली व्हाट आर दीज लाइंस ऑन द स्केल यूज्ड फॉर? जो लिटिल लाइंस हैं, लिटिल लाइंस मीन्स जो स्मॉल लाइंस हैं, छोटी छोटी ये वाली लाइंस. ऑल दीज लाइंस, व्हाट आर दीज लाइंस यूज्ड फॉर? Basically these lines are used to denote millimeter. About millimeter you will be studying in later classes. Now see, look for the things that are about 10 centimeter long. ऐसी चीज़ों के बारे में देखिए जो 10 सेंटीमीटर के अबाउट लॉन्ग है, मतलब जो लगभग इतनी लॉन्ग है. कितनी लॉन्ग है? इतनी. ऑल द थिंग्स दैट आर लॉन्ग 10 सेंटीमीटर, यू जस्ट राइट देयर नेम और यू जस्ट ड्रॉ देम. क्लियर? बिटवीन 10 and 20 centimeters long. See, 20 centimeter is not here, but 15 plus 5. You can shift the scale and just count the number of the length of the any object. Clear? And less than 1 centimeter. Less than 1 centimeter मतलब 1 सेंटीमीटर से छोटी वस्तुओं के नाम लिखने हैं या आपको ड्रॉ करना है. ड्रॉ सम ऑफ देम हेयर. क्लियर? यू हैव टू ड्रॉ सम ऑफ देम हेयर और यू हैव टू ड्रॉ इन योर नोटबुक. मूविंग ऑन फर्दर, see there is one line. Now can you guess the length of this line? This line is about 1 centimeter. How much? It's about 1 centimeter. Again, let's see, guess this. This is basically less than 10 centimeters. This is less than 10 centimeter. If you keep a scale along this line, this is approximately less than 10 centimeter. And now this one, this is more than 10 centimeter. This is more than 10 centimeter. This sign is shown for the number that is written on the side with open mouth is larger number. That means this line is larger than this 10 centimeter. Clear? It is more than 10 centimeter long. Clear? What you have to do is, how big is my hand? आपका हाथ कितना बड़ा है? You have to measure length of your thumb and your little finger. Now see, you keep your hand on a paper, you just trace that thumb with the pencil and just remove your hand and you just measure the length of this line. For example, this much is your thumb, this much is your thumb. Now you just measure the length of this line and you can just say what is the length of your thumb and your little finger, and which is longer? You have to answer which one is longer, thumb or finger, little finger. आपका thumb बड़ा है, लंबा है, या little finger लंबी है? देखिए ये thumb है, this is thumb and this is little finger. Clear? This one is little finger. Okay. Now bring a measuring tape to your class. Since you are not coming to class, this is online class, so you can just use measuring tape at your home to measure the length of various objects at your home. So this is going to be a big fun for you all to continue the measuring practice at your home of different things and enjoy the mathematics learning. This all will help you in further classes. Now see, guess the length of different parts of your body and check if your guess is correct. You can use a scale, a string, measuring tape. You can use a scale, string, a measuring tape. Scale you people know, string means thread. एक रस्सी छोटी सी यूज कर सकते हैं आप मेजर करने के लिए. How you can see in the pictures how you are going to. This is a measuring tape, this is a string, and this is a scale. So this is a string, this is a measuring tape, and this one is a scale. Hope you people understood. Now see, how will you know the number of centimeters if you measure with rope, shoestring or thread? For example, you have a rope, clear, and you have to measure the length of your hand. So what you do, you just take this rope and put it along your hand and just mark what is the length of rope that is along with your hand, and you just keep that rope thread along with the clear. Hope this much is clear for you. So I think now the concept of measuring length of various objects using scale is clear to you, or using rope, shoestring, thread is clear to you. Clear? One more thing at last I would like to tell you, what will happen if this number goes on increasing. Like this is 15 centimeter, you go to 30 centimeter, then 45 centimeter. When you reach 100 centimeter, see, when you reach 100 centimeter, so 100 centimeter is again converted into another unit called meter. 1 meter. About this we will be studying in next video, but just remember that, and meter is written in short as m, just m. Clear? So 100 centimeter is equal to 1 meter. Clear? This much, remember this much for further questions that we are going to discuss. Thank you all, thank you very much, thank you everyone.